For the subject objectives, we have a few. This particular subject has about 8. And these are the kind of things that by the end of this course you will be able to do these things. Okay, so we'll go through them one by one. By the end of this course, you'll be able to explain how the project and product context drives the testing strategy. Like so many things, what you do depends on the context and depends on what you're required to do. You'll be better able to think critically about software testing because you'll know more about it, among other things. You should be able to model a software product in order to plan and strategize the testing of that product. So you build a model of what the software is going to do, and then you start testing based on that model. You should be able to test a software product effectively with proficiency in finding defects. Okay, so testing has a couple of different aims. One is simply to determine what the characteristics of this product are. And another variety of testing, probably the more common one, is to see if you can find any defects in it. You will be able to create informative and relevant test reports for the stakeholders. Now that's a very important part of testing. A report like, is it tested? Yes. That's not a very informative report. Stakeholders want to know more than that. How many tests did you do? What did you test? What did you not test? Which test passed? Which test failed? How's the current state of all the defects? These kind of reports and the details of them tend to be very interesting to the stakeholders, and so you'll have to learn how to create those. You will be able to explain software testing and its relationship to other software development activities. Software testing doesn't sit alone. The days when the developers would create the software product and then hand it to testing who would go do their thing, that's gone. Now, frequently testing interacts with and happens at roughly the same time as the development. So you will need to understand where testing fits in the whole cycle of software development and where the different types of testing fit within that software development life cycle. You will learn, if you don't know already, but you'll learn to work productively in groups. This is a very normal condition of modern industry, is that the work you have to do and the task you have to do to get that work done is more complex than one individual can manage. So invariably you're going to be working in groups so that you have an array of expertise to bring to bear on the problem. So this subject will try to help you understand that. You'll put together in groups. You also will probably improve your written and oral communication skills, because that's also a big part of industry, as we are frequently told by industry.